These are 1A notes, so we need to find a slope, and in some cases find y-intercept. So the first one, find the slope. This is rise over run if you have a graph. If you do not have a graph, slope, another symbol for slope is m. You have y2 minus y1. So if you have two coordinates, you can always find slope using this formula. So if I have a graph, I'm going to go pick the 2 points. If there's not 2 points already given, then we just choose 2 points. I start on the left side, and I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. So up 3, fraction, that's the over part, and then to the right, 1, 2, 3. Right is positive also. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the slope here on this graph is 1. The y-intercept we're looking at, where's across the y-axis? Across the y-axis right here at 1, 2, 3, 4. So the y-intercept, which is the b, is at 4. For number 3, looking at the slope, pick your 2 points, any 2 points you want. I'm going to go up 0, and I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3. Can I do 0 divided by 3? Yes, the slope is 0. The y-intercept will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So then this y-intercept is 4 also. Number 5, pick a couple points. Does not matter which two I'm just randomly choosing. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to be to the right or left 0. Can I take 4 divided by 0? Nope. Cannot do that. That would be undefined. There's no definition for it. We can't use slope at all on that. Is there a y-intercept? So there's also no y-intercept. It does not ever cross the y-axis. All right, moving on. I'm going to work out number 14. So this is from an equation. We need to get it. My goal is to get it in y equals mx plus b form, because then I can see the slope and the y-intercept. So the slope, so we got to get the y by itself, so I'm going to subtract y. So this is not the only way to do this problem. And I'm actually going to switch around the x term and the constant, the 5, to get it more looking in the form I need. I'm going to divide everything by -1, which just changes the signs of each term. So -2 divided by -1 is 2. Positive 5 divided by -1 is -5. Our slope now, since it's y equals mx plus a -5, or subtract 5. So the slope is 2, and our y-intercept is -5. Number 15, we're working that problem out. Got to get the y by itself. I am going to, in this case, I'm going to add 21/5 x to the left side. Again, there are many ways you can do these problems. This is not the only way you can do them. You divide by -3 each term. So then 21/5 divided by -3, that is kind of strange looking. So what I will actually do, instead of dividing by -3, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, 1 over 3, -1 over 3. I'm going to multiply on the left side each term by -1 over 3. You do that by putting parentheses around the binomial. We're going to get y equals -1/3 times 21/5 is a -21 over 15. -1/3 times -6 is 6 over 3. Let's reduce that. Divide the first term by 3. It's -7 over 5x, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So my slope for this is -7/5. My y-intercept is 2. And the last problem I think I'm going to work out, sketching a graph. Y equals -3, so I'm going to go on the y values to -3, and y equals as a horizontal line. Anywhere you choose in here, the y values are going to be -3. So that's the only thing you can say about y equals -3. I think that's going to be it. Oh, no, I'm going to work on number 30. We're going to find the slope and the y-intercept from the graph. Well, we actually already worked on these, so I'm not going to work on that one. So that is A.